Hello everybody, I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm making the classic grilled cheese sandwich, just the way we used to have it when I was a kid. You start by turning the burner on, about a medium heat, and get your pan going, get it warm enough. Uh, and then I like to toast the bread, and once you get it toasted, which just kind of gives you a head start, you want to go ahead and get the butter on it. I've got some butter that's room temperature so it's easy to spread. We're going to put some butter on one side, just like this. Well, we grew up eating grilled cheese sandwiches, and I don't know of many other foods that bring back that wonderful memory of childhood more than grilled cheese sandwiches. And I like to stay true to the original and just use regular American cheese on plain white bread, toasted and grilled in butter. And there's just no substitute. And I know a lot of people, they try to jazz it up a little bit and put different things on there, and that's fine if you want to do that. But if you want that classic taste, the one that brings back the memories, then you need to do it the simple old-fashioned way. So that means butter, regular white bread, and American cheese, Kraft cheese. And so we'll get that on and put it in that nice hot skillet and let it start browning. I'm going to go ahead and put butter on the other side. And I'm out of butter. I'm going to have to get some more butter and set out. Now, toasting the bread beforehand kind of helps keep the bread crisp when you grill it like this and put it over your fire. Otherwise, if you're not careful, you can wind up with a soggy sandwich, and I don't really like that, so I like to pop it in that toaster and then grill it on the skillet. Oh, and one other thing, you never push down on your grilled cheese sandwich. You want to try and maintain the bread as is, so never push down on it. And so after about 3 minutes on each side, it's ready. Nice, warm, buttery, cheesy grilled cheese. Oh, yeah, take a look. Listen. Well, the sound of the knife might drown out the sound of the crisp bread, but it's lightly crisp and it's very warm and delicious. Oh my goodness, take a look at that. That's what we're looking for. Good old-fashioned grilled cheese sandwich. You really can't beat it. It's just as good as you remember from your childhood. Oh yeah, that's wonderful. Well, I hope you give this a try if you haven't made any in a while. Hey, thanks for watching. Take care. We'll see you next time. Bye now.